I've known Dave for actually about 15 years now. We actually met to begin with in the B&I group, and ever since then we've had a great relationship. Whenever we need to have a logo or have a wrap designed, then he actually can go above and beyond with our customers and let them know, hey, here's option 1, here's option 2, different configurations, different ideas, and then we also use him to print and also to install our graphics, our wraps, etc., etc. So he does a great job. We've never had any major issues. If there is something that he has to fix, he's always stood behind it 100%, ensuring that the end user was happy with his services as well as with ours. What we do specialize in aftermarket of upfitting of vans and trucks, such as HVAC contractors, electricians, plumbers. And then when you have a full wrap on these vans or trucks that a lot of the larger companies are going to, that's where Dave and I still do a tremendous volume of business together. So what we usually do is we'll have a conference call and try to get the end user in touch with Dave, especially if it is a design that is needed, because of the options. You know, there are different ways to look at different layouts of trucks and vans. You know, what's going to suit you best long term, and he does a great job with helping us with our customers to do that design. If it ends up being where the customer already has their artwork, then we can simply send that over to Solar Reflection and his team, and then they can actually print out the graphics that are needed for that art. Definitely. Like I said, if you ever have any type of issue, I mean, you know, they take care of it immediately. And the other thing I was going to mention, on our front windows here at our office, we have that shatterproof film that Dave and his team installed years ago when we first moved in here, about 7 years ago now. And so we've had no issues.